Hello, friends and students. I am Rintu Chatterjee. We, Parijat, are starting a new segment in the channel that is animal behavior. Hope you like it. Our today's topic is mosses, namely Kasturi Mrig in India. Curiosity about the animal started from primitive era because of their mask. Let's begin. Eastern Asia, southern China, and Burma, to almost the northern forest boundaries, also found in the Himalayas. Mostly, masked deer inhabit the middle altitude of taiga, usually not found above 1600 meters. In the winter, they are attracted to relatively steep slopes covered with coniferous forest. Favorite habitat are sections with rock outcrops which provide shelter from predators. In the summer, most of their time is spent in valley of forest rivers, around streams, and near fields with good grassy vegetation. They avoid marshy forest. Differ sharply from other deers. Long, well muscled hind leg, shorter, weaker, thin forelimbs, chest usually small, back highly arched back, so that the animal is much higher at the sacrum than at the shoulders. This body structure correlates with the animal's usual pattern of movement, a series of well coordinated jumps generated from the hind leg. Males weight slightly lesser than female. Neither sex have antler. The male has fine and extremely sharp canine directing downwards from the mouth. In older male, canine tips extend considerably below the lower jaw. Age-related changes in hair coat and coloring. Newborns have short, dark brown, soft hair densely covered with yellowish or white spot. By the second winter, young mold into their winter coat, which consists of coarse hair typical of an adult. The spots become less defined or absent. Seven different species of mosses are present. The famous one is Mossus mossiferus. One example of Indian mosses is Mossus capreus. Estrus cycle occur in December, usually lasts for 3 to 4 weeks. The gestation period is 185 to 195 days, and there is no latent stage of embryonic development. Female deliver one fawn or rarely two. Fawning occur in secret place, such as dense shrubs, under low branches of fir, or around fallen trees. Strangely, up to one third of adult females remain barren every year. Fawns stay with their mother for up to 2 years, active at twilight or at night. They are shy and furtive animals. They are much less active in heavy snowfall. Masked deer usually live singly or in group of two or three. Masked deer migrate from the steep mountain slopes they occupy in the winter to their summer range in grassy meadows found near mountain river valleys. Vision and hearing are thought to be keen, and sense of smell poor. A male masked deer content pouch, which is located between the sex organ and the navel, which release a scent that is believed to be a signal to attack a mate. The aromatic compound is known as muscone. Over 130 plant species are consumed by musk deer. In the winter, arboreal lichen and some terrestrial bushy lichen make up about 70% of the contents of a musk deer's stomach. Musk deer also eat young fruits, coniferous needles, leaves, buds, and bark of mountain ash. In the summer, herbaceous plants are the main diet. These include buckwheat, geranium, and some grasses. Musk deer are caught mainly for musk, which present only in the males. Musk is secreted by a secret gland located between the sex organ and the navel. In the past, musk was used in medicine in Europe and the East. The use of musk as a natural perfume base was discovered later. When this happened, the use of musk in perfume boomed. In Nepal in 1972, for example, an ounce of musk was worth more than an ounce of gold. The musk deer has long been hunted for its prized musk pouch. In 1855, around 81,200 sacks was exported from Russia to China. A few years later, Japan imported over 1 lakh sack in a single year. The musk deer population diminished greatly, and in 1927 only 5,089 sacks was collected. This led to the classification of the animal as endangered by the USDI 1980. The musk deer also appears in Appendix 1 of CITES. Galaxolide is a polycyclic mask, commonly found in laundry detergent to mask the smell of the detergent chemical. Since obtaining the deer mask requires killing the endangered animal, nearly all mask fragrances used in perfumery today is synthetic, sometimes called as white mask. So that is all for today, guys. Please subscribe the channel and like it for further good subject videos. If you have any queries, please comment us. Have a good day, guys.